So there's a really interesting question I've had about data security in Teams and making sure that people can't get access to edit files that they shouldn't be able to edit. So essentially it's about making files read-only. Now, first of all, in some of the packages we have, Word, Excel and PowerPoint, you can actually password protect the file itself inside that application. Which is another way entirely. But actually, I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk more broadly about the data security that's available in Teams and OneDrive. So for both Teams and OneDrive, there's a way of sharing files which relies on creating a link to that file. So if I click on my GCSE grading matrix here, for example, my copy of the college one, I should say, if you click on the ellipsis menu and then manage access, you'll see that there are no sharing links for this item, which means I've never emailed it to somebody or sent anybody a link. So that's actually option one, is you can click share there and it will send somebody an email saying, here's the link, click on this, and you can now see the document. But it does say here, people in Stonyhurst College with the link can edit. And there's two things about this. One, if they are in Stonyhurst College, that actually includes all the pupils. And it says at the end they can edit it. So first of all, the pupils can see it. Second of all, everybody can edit it. And for a lot of documents, that will be absolutely fine. You can change that. You can say that only specific people or people with existing access, that means people who are in the team, can have it. And that's the way to restrict it to the people who've already got it into the team. I'm going to come out of send link now and show you the second half of this, which is that direct access, if you're sending it to people who are already in the team, actually you don't need to send the link giving access. You've got the direct access, they can already get hold of this. And you can see that people who are owning the team, I've renamed this team. If you rename a team, it will come up with the old name and the new name here. If you own the team, then you can see and do everything, obviously. Visitors are people from outside the team. That's actually not possible in the vast majority of teams. It's not possible here, but it's still an option they give you. And then members of the team you can see from this icon here, they can edit it. So I'm going to change that to can view so that they can't change it. So now anybody who is a member of the team rather than an owner of the team can't edit that file. And the way to find out who is an owner and who is a member, and you can change this, is to go to manage team under music department, or under the name of the team. And I won't click to open to show you who the 21 are, because I'm going to put this video on YouTube, but they're visiting music teachers and so forth. And here we've got me. I'm the only owner. So now I'm the only person who can do that. But I could change people from being a member to an owner over here on the right hand side. So just to recap, if you've got a file where you want to share it with specific people and you don't want them to have access to be able to edit things, then if you click on the ellipsis menu next to the file, click manage access, create a link, because you could send this to, say, Staff College All or Staff Language School it's come up with, but you get the idea. You can send it to a mailing list directly from here. Taking me out there. And you change this option, people in Stonyhurst College with a link can edit. So I'm going to change it now to can view. So that means even if students got hold of it, they can only view it and not edit it. I'm also going to restrict it to people with existing access. So now this sentence says people with existing access, that is people who are already in the team, can use the link. And you can either write the message here, or you can copy the link and then paste it into the email that you want to write.